You eat just once a day, and for the next 23 hours, your body activates a hidden survival system. This is not starvation. This is not weakness. This is a biological shift most people never experience. Hour by hour, your body begins to transform silently from the inside. The moment you finish your meal, everything feels completely normal. You feel full, satisfied, maybe even a little sleepy. But inside your body, a complex chemical process has already begun. Hormones start shifting, energy pathways begin to change, and your body quietly prepares to function without food. Phase 1, 0 to 2 hours. Within minutes, your stomach begins breaking down food. Powerful digestive acids are released. Enzymes become active. Food is broken into tiny particles, ready for absorption. Your digestive system is now at peak performance. Glucose starts entering your bloodstream. Blood sugar levels begin to rise. And immediately, insulin is released. Insulin is a storage signal, telling your body to store energy. Muscles absorb glucose for fuel. Your liver stores glycogen. Excess energy begins converting into fat. This is your feeding mode. Phase 2, 2 to 6 hours. After about 2 hours, digestion begins to slow down, but nutrients are still being absorbed. Your energy feels stable. This is your fed state. Your body is still using glucose as its main fuel. Fat burning is almost completely shut off because energy is already available. Everything feels balanced. But this stability is temporary. A major shift is coming. Phase 3, 6 to 10 hours. Around 6 hours later, blood sugar starts to drop. Insulin levels fall. Your body detects the change and switches from storage to release mode. Stored glycogen begins to break down. Your liver releases glucose to keep your brain functioning. You still feel normal, but your reserves are limited, and they're running out. Phase 4, 10 to 14 hours. Now glycogen stores are getting low. Energy supply becomes tighter. Hunger signals start getting stronger. But this isn't real hunger. It's a habit signal. Your brain is expecting food. Your body is still in control. This is the adaptation phase, where most people give up. But if you continue, everything changes. Phase 5, 14 to 18 hours. After 14 hours, a powerful shift happens. Fat burning officially begins. Stored fat starts breaking down. Fatty acids enter your bloodstream. Your body now uses fat as fuel. Insulin drops to very low levels. Access to fat becomes easier. Energy starts stabilizing. Crashes become less frequent. This is the metabolic shift. Phase 6, 18 to 20 hours now, your liver starts producing a new fuel. Ketones begin to form. These are powerful brain fuels. Your brain starts switching from glucose to ketones. And something surprising happens. Mental clarity increases. Focus becomes sharper. Energy feels calm and steady. This is a high-performance state. Phase 7, 20 to 22 hours. Now your body is fully adapted. Fat burning becomes dominant. Energy fluctuations disappear. Hunger starts fading. Your body becomes efficient. Food dependency decreases. Stored energy takes over. This is metabolic flexibility, something most people never achieve because they never stop eating. Phase 8, 22 to 24 hours. Now a deep internal process begins. It's called autophagy. Your body starts breaking down damaged cells, recycling them for energy, removing internal waste. Cellular repair begins. This is your body's natural detox system. It only activates during fasting, not during constant eating. This is the hidden benefit. But here's the truth. This method is not for everyone. Some people feel weak, Some experience dizziness, others end up overeating, which cancels out the benefits. Timing isn't everything. Food quality matters more. If your meal is unhealthy, fasting won't fix it. So what's really happening? You're not just eating less, you're activating your system. Storage mode, burning mode, and repair mode. Most people stay in storage mode. They never reach burn or repair. That's why they feel tired and constantly low on energy. But when you give your body time, everything changes. Energy becomes stable, focus improves, your body becomes efficient, not dependent, but adaptive. And that is real control. So the question is, are you just feeding your body, or are you allowing it to heal?